everyone and welcome to English Grammar Cafe. Today's video is very exciting, but at the same time it is very important also. Today we'll learn different usage of ing form of the verb, as many students remain confused whether it is a gerund or participle or main verb of the sentence. So here we'll learn everything in a super easy way. So what are you waiting for? Let's move. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe it right now and hit the bell icon to get notification of each new video. ing form of the verb. It is formed by adding ing to the first form of the verb. जब verb की first form में ing लगाते हैं तब बनती है ing form of the verb and it is also called present participle. Now let's see different usage of ing form in a sentence. Usage number 1. ing form of the verb is used as a noun in a sentence. So when ing form of the verb is used as a noun in a sentence, it is called gerund and it can be used as a subject, object of the verb or object of the preposition. सो वर्ब की ing फॉर्म जब एक सेंटेंस में नाउन की तरह फंक्शन करती है, मीन्स एज अ सब्जेक्ट या ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह काम करती है, तब हम उसे बोलते हैं gerund. एंड इफ यू वांट टू लर्न gerund इन डिटेल, just check out my video. I have left the link in description box below. You can check it out. Now let's understand this with examples. Playing cards is not allowed here. So what is not allowed here? Playing cards. So this playing is gerund here because it is functioning here as a noun, as a subject of the sentence. So playing is a gerund here. Now let's see one more sentence. My brother loves watching TV. So my brother loves what? Watching TV. So here watching is an object of the verb loves and that's why it is gerund. It is a noun here. Now let's see one more sentence. The old man was tired of walking. So the old man was tired of what? Walking. So your walking is an object of the preposition of and that's why it is gerund. Now let's see usage number 2. ing form of the verb is also used as an adjective in the sentence. So when ing form of the verb functions as an adjective in the sentence, it is called present participle. तो वर्ब की ing फॉर्म जब एक एडजेक्टिव का काम करती है तब हम उसे बोलते हैं प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. इफ यू वांट टू लर्न पार्टिसिपल्स इन डिटेल, just check out my video. I have left the link in the description box below. Present participle, it modifies a noun in the sentence. It can be a subject or object. Now let's understand this with some examples. We met a girl carrying a basket of flowers. So here carrying a basket of flowers, this phrase is modifying girl and that's why it is present participle. क्योंकि हम एक लड़की से मिले. कौन सी लड़की से? फूलों की टोकरी ले जाती हुई लड़की से. Now see one more sentence. A rolling stone gathers no moss. So here rolling is adjective for the word stone because it is qualifying stone. कि stone कैसा था? Rolling stone, घूमता हुआ stone. So here rolling present participle. Let's see one more sentence. Seeing her grandchildren after many years, Mrs. Sen was overjoyed. So here this phrase, seeing her grandchildren after many years, this phrase is qualifying, just modifying Mrs. Sen. कि Mrs. Sen बहुत खुश थी अपने grandchildren को देखते हुए. So this word seeing, this is present participle here. Usage number 3. ing form of the verb is also used as the main verb of the sentence. ये एक sentence में main verb का भी काम करती है. When we talk about progressive tense like present continuous tense, past continuous tense, future continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense or future continuous tense, we use ing form of the verb as the main verb of the sentence. तो इन सब टेंसेस में वर्ब की ing फॉर्म मेन वर्ब का काम करती है. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस विद एग्जांपल्स. व्हेन आई से शी इज स्पीकिंग द ट्रूथ, सो हियर इज स्पीकिंग, इससे आपको पता लगेगा कि ये सेंटेंस प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस का है. When I say it was raining heavily yesterday, so was raining, it will tell you that this sentence is of past continuous tense. So this is main verb. Raining is main verb here. Now let's see one more sentence. I have been teaching for past 10 years. So here teaching is main verb and have been teaching. This will tell you that this sentence is of present perfect continuous. So ing form of the verb is used as the main verb in the sentence. ing form main verb की तरह भी use की जाती है. Now let's compare gerund and present participle with some examples. Laughing is good for health. So what is good for health? Laughing. Laughing is functioning as a subject here and as a noun. So this is gerund. So laughing is gerund here. And when I say his laughing eyes expressed his happiness. So here laughing is an adjective for the word eyes. कैसी आंखें? हंसती हुई आंखें. Laughing eyes. So here laughing is functioning as an adjective and that's why it is present participle. Let's understand this with one more example. He loves playing cricket. So here playing is an object of the verb loves and that's why it is gerund because it is functioning here as a noun. But when I say playing cricket, he gained health. So here playing cricket, this is present participle because it is modifying he. He gained health. उसने क्रिकेट खेलते हुए अपनी हेल्थ बनाई. So playing cricket, he gained health. Let's see one more example. The old man was tired of walking. So the old man was tired of what? Walking. So walking is an object of preposition of. Walking यहाँ पर एक noun की तरह काम कर रहा है and that's why it is gerund. But when I say I saw many people walking in the park, यहाँ walking modify कर रहा है people को. Walking is modifying people and that's why it is present participle क्योंकि यहाँ ये एक adjective है जो people को modify कर रहा है. So present participle. I hope now it's clear how to use ing form in the sentence. Now let's check your understanding with a mini quiz. Here is the quiz. Here are the answers. I appreciate your efforts. Now if you like the video, please hit the like button to motivate me to create more videos for you. Now let's meet in the next video. Bye.